Hey, welcome back. It's Miss Mullis. It's time for us to work on our home learning packet number 2. We're working on week 3, day 3 today. We're on week 3, day 3. We're starting today with subtraction. Not putting groups together, we're taking a group apart, showing the parts that are in a bigger group. So we're going to start with our big group. Let's count first how many we have in our big group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bananas in the whole group. So I'm going to write that first. We start with 5. Now, how many did they put an X on? How many did the monkey eat? The monkey ate 1 of them. 5 minus 1. So we started with 5 bananas and the monkey ate 1 banana. How many bananas are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bananas left. Now let's do one more together. Start with the whole group first. Count the whole group that you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We started with 7. Now let's see, how many did the monkey eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of them are gone. We started with 7. We took away 5 of them. Now how many are left? 1, 2. We started with a big group of 7. We took a part away. We took 5 of them away. We have 2 left. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Keep going the same way. Remember to count your whole group first, then how many are gone, then how many are left. All right, now we're going to work on the life cycle of a butterfly. We have talked about this before. Back earlier in the year, we read a story about how butterflies grow. If you're cutting and gluing, make sure you've done the other side of this paper first. Then you can cut and glue your pictures. If you're not going to cut and glue, like I'm not, then we're going to draw our pictures the best we can. We've got to read what it says on here. First, a butterfly lays eggs on a leaf. So you've got to figure out which picture goes with that sentence. Is this a butterfly laying eggs? No. Does that show a butterfly laying eggs? No. Does this? Yes, I see a leaf. I see some dots that are probably eggs. Is that a butterfly laying eggs? No. So up here, I'm going to draw a leaf. I'm going to do the best I can. It's okay if it's not perfect. Okay, there's a leaf, and I've got to put some eggs on it. All right, there is my leaf with eggs. And let's read what it says next. Next, it turns into a caterpillar. So you've got to find the picture that shows the caterpillar. Glue it or draw it where it says next. Then, what happens after that? Then the caterpillar makes a chrysalis around its body. You've got to find your picture that shows a chrysalis when the caterpillar wraps up and hangs on a branch. You're going to find the picture, either cut it or draw it on the word then. And last, the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. So which picture will we put up here on last? We'll put the butterfly. You either glue it or draw it. Then I want you to go tell somebody else in your family about how a butterfly grows. All right, sight words for today. Our sight word is, let's see, I'm going to use gray. O-U-R, our, like our house, our school, our class. O-U-R, our. Then you're going to write it in the boxes. O-U-R. R, our. And let's read it. I like our bat. I like our bat. So that would be a bat that you're sharing with somebody. You're going to write it again, spell it, write it, say it, and read the next sentence. You're going to do that for 4 more sentences. Make sure they make sense when you read them. Our. We have another sight word today. Our other sight word for today is S-A-W. We're starting with the S. So this is saw. This one gets really tricky. Sometimes people say was, because if you turn it around, it does say was. But this word is saw, because it starts with the S. S-A-W. Saw. I saw the bird. I saw the movie. Now you're going to look in your boxes, and every time you see the word saw, S-A-W, you're going to write it. Not write it. You're going to circle it or color it. Does this say S-A-W? No, that says yes. Does this say saw? Yes, it does. S-A-W. So I can circle it or color it. S-A-W, saw. Very good. I'm going to color it or circle it. And you've got to check all the rest of your boxes. We have the letters for saw mixed up at the bottom. You can cut them out and glue them into the empty boxes to make the word, or you can write it. If you're going to cut them, make sure you've done the other side of the paper first. I'm just going to write it. Tell me how to spell saw. S-A, because it's sauce. All. A and W, when they get together, they say aw, like something's cute. Aw, saw. S-A-W. And our last page for today is a story. So let's read the title of our story first. The bag. The bag. What is in the bag? They're asking a question. Here's our question mark. What is in the bag? On the bag is a tag. Let's read those 2 sentences again. What is in the bag? On the bag is a tag. Then I want you to finish reading the story. I want you to read the story 2 times. Then I want you to try to answer the questions. Let's read the first question. On the bag is a blank. We've got to figure out what is on the bag. Lag, sag, tag. What is on the bag? Look back at your story and see. It says on the bag is a tag. So tag is the right answer. So I'm going to put a check in that circle, or you could put an X in that circle, and I'm going to write it on the line. On the bag is a tag. And you have 3 more questions to answer. Very good, and I will see you again tomorrow.